Okay, my name is Stephanie Ashford. It's September 25th, and this is my bone video for the appendicular skeleton. Okay, this is the pectoral girdle, which entails the clavicle, and then also the scapula. And the surrounding muscles help bring or put it all together. Okay, and then we have the pelvic girdle, which comes from the sacrum and hip bones, which entails the ilium, the pubis, and then also the ischium. Okay, we also have the acetabulum, which helps to stabilize the pelvic girdle because it articulates with the femur. The acromial end of the clavicle is here, and the sternum end of the clavicle is here. We have the coracoid process. It's right there. The glenoid space is right here. Then we have the spine of the scapula right there. And then we have the acromion, which is right there. Okay, and then we also have the supraspinous fossa, just right there. And then the infraspinous fossa is there. And then we have the subscapular fossa here. And the sternoclavicular joint is there. And the acromioclavicular joint is right there. Okay, the humerus here. Humerus head is here. Then we have the greater and lesser tubercle, which is greater and lesser. So greater here and lesser there. And then we have the deltoid tuberosity here. We have the medial and lateral epicondyles, which are right here and right there. So medial and lateral. Okay, and then we have the coronoid fossa, which is right here. And we also know that the ulna houses the coronoid fossa. Okay, we have the capitulum, which is right there. And then also that articulates with the ulnar radius, and so does the trochlea. It articulates with the ulnar radius. And the olecranon fossa is here. Okay. So pointing out the ulna. Okay. This is the ulna. Okay, and the olecranon is here. And the coracoid process is up here. And then the styloid process of the ulna is right there. Okay, this is the radius on the thumb side, right here. And it has a radial head. And then it also has a radial tuberosity right here. And the styloid process of the radial is right there. Okay, looking at the carpus, we have the pisiform, we have the trachetrum, we have the lunate, and then we have the scaffold. Uh-oh, we didn't see that. Okay, so this is the pisiform here, and then we have the trichetrum, the lunate, and then the scaffold. And that's on the proximal row. On the distal row, we have the hamate, the capitate, the trapezoid, and the trapezium. And these are the metacarpals, and these are the phalanges. Okay, looking at the hip bones, they're fused together to develop the skeleton, which are the ilium, the pubic, and the ischium. Okay, and then we have the acetabulum, which is a socket for the femur. We have the pubic symphysis, which is here in the middle. The obturator foramen is here. And then we have the anterior superior iliac spine, which is here. Okay, and then we also have the iliac fossa here. And also the greater sciatic notch, which is here. Contains the ischial spine and the ischial tuberosity there. All right, head of the femur is here. And then this is the greater trochanter. And this is the lesser trochanter. And then we have the abductor, which is just superior of the medial epicondyle. So this is the abductor here. This is the medial epicondyle, and this is the lateral epicondyle. And then we have the medial and lateral condyles. Okay, so this is the medial condyle. Medial condyle, and then the lateral condyle. All right, we have the patella, which is right there. Okay, we have the tibia, which is here. And then we have the medial and lateral condyles of the tibia. So this is the medial. I'm sorry, this is the medial. And this is the lateral and medial. Okay, and then this little sharp end right here is the medial malleolus. And then we have the distal tibial fibular joint, which is right here. And then the proximal tibiofibular joint right there. Then the head of the fibula is here. Then we also have the lateral malleolus is here. Okay, now we're going to look at the talus, which is right there. And then we have the navicular bone right there. Okay, now I'm going to point out the cuboid bone is right there. And then we have the medial cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, lateral cuneiform, and the cuboid. Okay, and then the metatarsus is here, and the phalanges of the feet is here, and then this is the hallux of thumb, or the big toe, excuse me. All right, that concludes my video for today. Thank you so much. This is September 25th, and this is my bone video of the appendicular skeleton. Thank you so much.